Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the B.Ed second year file. The code is CC8 and the subject is गांधी जी's नई तालीम. दोस्तों आज हम B.Ed सेकेंड ईयर की फाइल देखने वाले हैं जिसका कोड है CC8 और सब्जेक्ट है हमारा गांधी जी की नई तालीम. As you can see that I have used the colorful A4 size sheet for this file. I have used the ring file. It is all up to you that what kind of sheets or file you want to use, but always use good quality of sheets and a good quality of file. Also, you can see that I have covered this file. Covering of the file is totally optional. It's all up to you whether you want to cover it or not. Now let's proceed. You can see that there is index. An index, you can see the topics that is given, and the topic that is taken for making this file is National Curriculum Framework 2005. That means NCF 2005. अगर ये बच्चे सोचें कि ये टॉपिक कहाँ से मिला, so let me tell you that according to your university it is given in your syllabus. When you download your B.Ed syllabus from your university website, then you can see the topics will be given there according to the subjects, and this is one of the topic from CCS University. So I have taken the topic that is National Curriculum Framework 2005. You can take any of the topic. So now let's proceed for the next page. You can see that National Curriculum Framework 2005 there is introduction given. और मैं बता दूं, अगर कोई दोस्त हमारा जो कि हिंदी में फ़ाइल बना रहा है या लिखना चाह रहे हैं तो वो टॉपिक देख लें और उसको हिंदी में उसके बारे में किसी ना किसी किताब से लिख सकते हैं, यानी इसको भी वो जो मैंने लिखा है उसको कन्वर्ट करके लिख सकते हैं. So now on the next page you can see that it is given for the class 1st to 5th. These are the subjects. Then for the class 6th to 8th. Then for the class 9th to 10th, these are the subjects for the previous class. You can take the screenshot if you want. Now let's proceed for the next page. Here it is given for the class 11th and 12th. For 11th and 12th there will be different subjects. For the according to the streams, you know that now criticism. Next is Nai Talim and its principles. You can take help from the internet. Also you can take help from any of the book that is you are having in your syllabus according to the subject. Also you can screenshot this if you want to write this only. Also you can take the help from your subject teacher in writing the file or collecting the content. These are the main principles of basic education. Now let's go to next page. Here it is shown in a tabular form, that is approach to education and learning. It is given in the table form. You can write it in any way, but representation counts a lot in B.Ed, also in making files. Now let's proceed for the next page. This is Nai Talim Basic Education Primary of Child Work. You can take the help from any of the book that I have told you that is you are having in your syllabus. Also you can take the help from the net. You can copy this also. And the next heading that is starting is Basic Principles of Gandhiji's Education Philosophy. You can see still the same topic is going on this page. Now let's come to the next page. I hope this video can help you in making your own file. So like, comment and share with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. If you have any query regarding any of the file or anything, then you can comment and I will try to get back to you. Thank you.